Hey everybody, Simeon here with Aim High Pressure Wash. I want to do a little test on pressure, depending on how long your hose is. I got a gauge right here, which is shortly after the pump. All right, and we want to see the difference between what it's running at here, close to the pump side, and at the end of the hose reel. So I got my measure so we can see how long the hose is. We're zeroed out. Got the hose stretched out. Let's see what we end up with. All right, so what is that? That's right at 202 feet. So basically, we'll just say 200. That's what most of us, that's kind of a good amount of hose that most of us will use. Maybe 200, 250, but so this was 200. Let's see what that gets us. All right, guys, so you just saw that 200 feet of hose. I was running at about 3,500. It seemed like it was creeping up to about 3,600. The gun was sitting at about 3,300. So that's safe to say, for every 100 feet, you're going to lose about 100 pounds of pressure. All right? But guys, do the test on this. This is the way my machine is set up. Do yours on how your plumbing and your setup is. But for mine, for 200 feet of hose, I lost 200 pounds of pressure. All right? But guys, do the test. Don't go off my numbers. This is the way my plumbing is. Your plumbing, of course, may be different. But yeah, guys, do the test. All right? Simeon, Aim High Pressure Wash. I'm out.